Alright, so here is our rod knock. That's underneath the car there. And here, cylinder 1's up in there. And that's cylinder number 2 here. And that's our rod knock right there. Clankety, clankety, clankety. The rest of them really don't do that. For reasons that are unknown. That one is the problem. And here you go, that's cylinder number 1. And you can see no movement. Well, a little tiny bit of movement. I'm going to replace this one too. I'm replacing all of them actually. And that's the fun part. Hopefully this thing stops pissing oil all over the place. And I can figure out how these freaking this fucking balancing shaft works, because I have no freaking clue. I think they line up kind of like that, something, I don't know. These dots gotta line up to something with something. I have no freaking clue. I don't actually know. So this thing's pissing oil like a pisser, and well, that's the engine. It don't look too bad, you know. Looks all kinds of interestingness here, but so tomorrow I'll go over to Harbor Freight. I'll get some star keys, bang that out, and hopefully not fuck that up. And yeah, then I just got to get rod bearings and throw them in here and see how many miles I can get out of it before I need to replace the engine. So that's it. And there's the car. I'm kind of dirty. I got oil on my face now. I don't know what happened here. So, and the freaking light's on. So yeah, I have no clue if you could actually see me or not, or if I'm just blurry, but I'll see you later. Hasta la vista. I don't know how to shut this off. Everything I have is dirty, so I'm just gonna put you down and maybe take off my gloves, and then maybe I'll have clean enough hands to hit stop.